Today I'm going to teach you a new skill that is amazing, but it seems a bit strange at first. It's called tapping. This is something you can do when you're feeling bad or worried about something. It tells your brain that you're safe, and it helps the feelings get quieter and calmer. So the skill, tapping, is a pattern that you follow, and it's called tapping because we're actually going to tap on different places on our heads and our body, and we're also going to say what is bothering us while we're doing this. It starts with saying the problem, but also saying something good about ourselves. We're going to do this 3 times while tapping on the side of our hand right here. So let's try it, and we'll use worrying as our example. So you're going to copy what I'm doing and repeat out loud after me. Even though I'm feeling worried, I'm a great kid. Even though I'm worried, I love myself. Even though I'm worried, you can say I'm a great student, a great friend, a great son or daughter. Okay, that's our starting point. Then we're going to move on to the rest of the tapping points, and you're going to say a reminder of the problem as you tap on each point. But first, I'm going to show you each point, and I want you to try to find them on yourself. So the first point is right here, right where our eyebrow starts. And usually you use the tip of 2 fingers, and you can use one hand or both hands at the same time. It doesn't matter what's comfortable for you. But I like to use 2 fingers, and you just tap right here where your eyebrow begins. And you don't need to do it hard, just a gentle tap. Then the next place is right here at the outside of our eye. We're just going to tap there lightly. The next place is right under our eye. When we're looking straight ahead, it's just right under there, and we kind of feel the bone right here. We're just going to tap lightly there. The next place is right in between where our nose ends and our lip starts. And for this one, you can tap straight on, or sometimes I like to turn my hand to the side and just tap sideways right there. The next place is right where we've kind of got this dent in our chin. And again, I like to just keep my hand sideways for that one, but you can do it whatever way you like. This next place can be a tiny bit hard to find. It's called the collarbone location, and what you're going to do is you're going to feel where your collarbone is, and there's a very slight dent on either side. We're going to try to get that spot, but because it's a smaller area, go ahead and use the whole flat of your fingers here and just gently tap, and you're definitely going to hit the spot. If you just tap just to one side or the other of your chest, or you can do both sides. This next spot feels a little bit funny because it's under our arm, and you're going to see about how wide your hand is. You're going to go that far down from right where your armpit is. You're going to move that far down, and then you're just going to gently tap right on your side about a hand's width down from your armpit. And then the final spot is the very top of our head. We're just going to just gently tap there. We don't need to hurt ourselves. We're just going to tap on the top of our head. Those were all of the spots. If we were doing tapping when we're using it, we might go right back into a second cycle of it. And if we do that, we just go directly back to the eyebrow point. We don't need to go to our hand again. We would just go right back to the eyebrow point and repeat it. And I know it seems like a lot, but once we do this a few times, you're going to see that you start to learn the pattern very easily. So let's go ahead and we're going to practice this. Now, when you're doing it, to help yourself with something, you only need to do it for a few minutes. You might do 2 whole cycles of it. You might do a little bit more if you still think that it might help you feel better. But you only need to do it for a few minutes to feel better. And let's practice what it would be like if we were doing a whole cycle of it. And we're going to go ahead and use worrying as an example again. And I want you to follow along with what I'm doing and also repeat everything after me. So we're going to start here again with the setup, and we're going to say it 3 times. So just repeat after me. Even though I'm feeling worried, I am a great kid. Even though I'm worried, I love myself. Even though I'm worried, I'm a great friend. Move here. All of this worry. Outer eye. What will happen? It makes my stomach feel funny. I keep thinking about it. Chin? Sometimes I get scared. Now the collar, collarbone. Oh, these worries. Now under the arm. I want to feel calmer. Now top of the head. I want to feel better. Okay, now we would take a deep breath and release it. Okay, so I hope that you're feeling relaxed after doing this one time with me. Now you can go on to watch the next video, which is going to lead you through tapping about right now, about being home from school, helping you to stay calm and healthy until you return again.